wipe off any makeup you have on. Maybe from the night before or from earlier in the day. Okay. Okay. And just go on the back of it as well and on your chin. Just in case, I don't know, you put some foundation there. Okay. We're only going to be using 5 brushes for 2 reasons. 1, because I only have 5 brushes. 2, because you only need 5 brushes. I live with 5 brushes, a day-to-day life, and I'm having some milkshake. I can't show you what it's called. Oops, I just did. Oh well, because of advertising reasons. Oh well. It's good milkshake even. It's nice. Okay, you're not gonna need many colours for this. Just some pretty simple ones. Okay. Ones that pretty much everyone should have. Not necessarily will have. Okay. I'm just getting everything out. Yeah, you're only going to need some colours. We're going to do more dramatic eyes and less dramatic lips. That's how I like to do mine because I like my eyes. I think my eyes are my best feature, so I want to show them off. And I don't like my teeth. Exactly. So I'm trying to keep that, all the attention away from my mouth and on my eyes. I think that's all I'll need. Oh, no, there's one more thing. Is there? Yes, there is. Okay. You can prime your eyes for this. I'm not going to. Okay. First, take a small brush like this. Okay. Sorry, lots of people running downstairs. I need to get this kind of shade here. It's a creamy white. Doesn't have to be that one. With your small brush. So on the inner corner and underneath your eye in the inner corner. And then just in the crease as well. So, in here. You're probably thinking that's so useless, what are you going to do with that? It does actually bring out quite a lot. Okay, same thing on the other eye. Lots of people wouldn't have done a tutorial like this, they would have done that eye and then showed you how to do the other eye. I'm just doing both. I can't be bothered to do one at a time, I find it easier to do than both at the same time. Okay. Then, I've got a duo set. Take this kind of blue. Here. Okay. Some brush. And directly next to and a bit on top of the inward part of white, to bring all over your lid and up to the crease. And do the same thing on the other eye. Like so. Make sure it doesn't show up much. You don't want it to show up much. My blue comes out grey, but that actually gives it a really nice effect. So if you don't have a pale blue, use a pale grey kind of colour. Okay. Next, you're going to laugh at me, okay? You might not, but I got this at Tesco's. Yeah, Tesco's. It's Collection 2000 Pop-Tastic. I absolutely love this. I know it's not like MAC or anything, but you get lots of colours with it, and I use it pretty much all the time, and it is really good. I absolutely love it. Okay. Probably going to be my April favourites, I don't know. Okay, and take this kind of blue. It's a pale blue. If you have Pop-Tastic, it's the one in the middle. Okay. It's a luminousy blue. Just normal blue, not royal blue or anything, just normal blue. I know I keep saying blue, but I will. Just put that under the outer 2/3 of your lid. And a bit in the crease. And go over it. I wouldn't normally suggest you to go over yours. But yeah, same thing on the other eye. Doesn't matter if you get a bit on your eyelashes because that's what I've got. Okay, then you want to take this green, not that blue, this green. See, sparkly, shimmery green colour, as you can see. Something like that. The Coastal Scents 88 Shimmer Palette, green kind of colour will do fine. And to put that over the blue on the outer corners and into the crease all the way, pretty much all the way inwards. Okay. Same thing on the other eye, obviously. That's look like alright, Looney. Woo! Okay, and then just like blend it inwards a bit, not much. Okay. Just go at this. None of your hand gets dirty like that. Just kind of get all of the. Just go like this, and kind of blend all the colours together. Okay, then get a kind of turquoise colour, so this colour on the pop test stick. Don't know if that's going to help, but this one on the top right corner, if you have the pop test, and get it on your brush and just put it where the green and the blue meet, and mix it in. Okay, and then just do the same thing again as we did earlier, just blend them all together. Then, to blend it even more, take a big fluffy eyeshadow brush and just go, not too hard, and blend it out. Okay. I have missed something. I knew I'd missed something. Basic Alicia, it's typical me. Right, I'm going to take a eyeliner, liquid eyeliner or pen eyeliner or gel liner, your choice, in black, or silver, or grey or something, but something nice. Try and do it like quite smooth and quite thin if you can. Make any mistakes, you can just wipe it up with a makeup wipe. Yes, I may be a beauty guru, but even we make mistakes. And I'm not going to start this entire tutorial again just because I made a silly mistake. Because that's just a waste of money, time, and makeup, and yeah. Just correct your mistake. And carry on. That's if you made a mistake. Always keep a makeup wipe on hand. Not necessarily if you do something wrong. If you just want to make it look a bit pointier or less. What's the word? I don't know, just less in your face, sort of. I actually like quite thick eyeliner. But you don't have to do thick eyeliner. Okay, then take a pencil liner. Sorry. Then take a pencil liner. Your choice of colour again. You can use black, blue. I'm going to use black and blue colour. Just need to get a sharpener because that is so blunt.